All right, so this is Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana Grand Master Suite. When you first walk in, you've got a bathroom with a shower on the left. You've got this small room in here, which actually is like a nice little bedroom. It's got a little fold-out table. Got a dining area, a nice little welcome amenity, some cheese and wine. Over here, there are some snacks for the kids. Got a living room. Nice TV on the wall. Out on the balcony, we've got our jacuzzi tub. Nice views of the pool and the ocean. Back in, we've got master bedroom. Nice size. Really nice bathroom in here. Big tub, big walk-in shower. Closet and safe. And then this loops back into the living room area. Really cool layout, good size.